Good morning, kids. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Okay, let's start the next topic of the chapter, and the topic is chemical change. Chemical change is a change in which one or more new substances are formed. That change is called chemical change. And this is also called chemical reaction. You can say chemical change or the chemical reaction. In this, new substances are formed. In addition to the new substances, some more may be seen as the heat may evolve, and the second is light. Heat and light may evolve, and sometimes the radiation it may evolve or absorbed. Next is change of the color, then change in the smell, and gases also may come out. Here it should be as gases may also come out. Okay. For example, there are so many examples given here. The first is the burning of magnesium ribbon, burning of the coal, rusting, and explosion of the firework is a chemical change. In this change, we all know heat, light, and sound. Heat, light, and sound. And some gases are also produced. Okay, now next is when food get spoiled, then it produce foul smell. When the food is spoiled, it produce the foul smell. And the slice of the potato, brinjal, apple, if not consumed immediately and left for some time, then they also change their color. And after some time, their color changed into the brownish color. है ना? The color change into the brownish, blackish brownish color. This is also a type of the chemical change. Something new compound is formed in them so that the color changes. Okay, now next is the burning of magnesium ribbon. I have already explained this in your online class. That is just for the revision. When the magnesium react with the oxygen, then it forms magnesium oxide. When magnesium, this is the formula of magnesium, Mg, this react with the oxygen, then it forms MgO. It forms MgO. MgO is the magnesium oxide, right? And magnesium oxide is formed. Okay, now when this magnesium oxide is dissolved in the water, then now see MgO plus water. When it dissolves in the water, then it forms MgOH whole twice. It forms MgH2. It forms MgOH2, right? It is here, right? Then this is magnesium hydroxide. This is magnesium, and this MgOH whole twice. This is a MgOH. This is a base. Then basic solution is formed. Basic solution is formed, and this basic solution change red litmus to blue. Because it is a base, then the last color comes blue. It means if we test it with the litmus, then it is a base. It changed red litmus to blue. Okay, now next is change in color of copper sulfate. Copper sulfate, the formula of copper sulfate is CuSO4. This is the copper sulfate, formula of copper sulfate. This copper sulfate is also called blue vitriol. This is also called blue vitriol or also called Neela Thota. In Hindi, we can say it Neela Thota. Right? Blue vitriol or Neela Thota. When this copper sulfate solution react with the iron, then now in this picture also you can see this is the solution of copper sulfate, and when we put this iron blade into this copper sulfate solution, then after some time we can see this iron blade will convert into the copper color, right? And the solution will become green in color. Blue solution becomes green in color. This is only for for revision. This experiment I have already explained you. And the copper this solution becomes the solution of iron. Now this is the solution of iron sulfate. In starting it was copper sulfate. Now it has changed into the iron sulfate, FeSO4. Now the solution is of FeSO4, which is green in color, and the copper deposits over the this iron nail. The iron nail जो पहले iron color की थी, but now it has been changed into the copper color. Okay. तो आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि why this color has been changed into the green, then the simple answer is because now the solution is of FeSO4, and FeSO4 is of green color, and this Fe the copper deposits over the iron nail, and the solution become of it is of FeSO4, which is green in color. Now next is the reaction of vinegar and baking soda. Okay, when the vinegar and baking soda they react to each other, then carbon dioxide is formed. Carbon dioxide and other substances are formed. The main thing is carbon dioxide, है ना. तो this carbon dioxide can be tested with the lime water, है ना. आपने इन दोनों को मिक्स किया और इसमें से बबलिंग के साथ में बबल्स निकल के बाहर आते हैं. दिस इज द गैस इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. हाउ यू कैन टेस्ट कि ये गैस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ही है? फॉर दैट you have to take the lime water. What you have to do, you will take the lime water and you will pass that now CO2 in the lime water, then lime water will become colorless. Lime water will become colorless. अगर वो lime water colorless हो जाता है, now see in this picture also, this is a picture जिसमें कि इन्होंने इस टेस्ट ट्यूब में दो चीजें डाली हैं. क्या? विनेगर. विनेगर इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एसिटिक एसिड. Acetic acid, chemically it is called acetic acid. Vinegar is called acetic acid, right? When the when the acetic acid, this acetic acid react when this acetic acid react with the baking soda, right? Baking soda, the formula of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. We can see it, sodium hydrogen carbonate, right? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. And acetic acid was vinegar, acetic acid, and baking soda is called sodium hydrogen carbonate. When these two are mixed, you can see in this test tube both are mixed, then the CO2 is CO2 comes out. And when we pass the CO2 in the lime water, this is the lime water, then this lime water turns into milky. कैसा हो जाता है? मिल्की. इन स्टार्टिंग लाइम वाटर इज ट्रांसपेरेंट इन कलर. लाइम वाटर जो है ट्रांसपेरेंट कलर का होता है, लेकिन जैसे ही हमने उसमें CO2 पास कराई, इट बिकम्स मिल्की, राइट? ओके. नेक्स्ट इज रस्टिंग. Now see, in this picture you can see this is the iron pen which is rusted. You can see this red color substance over it. This is the rust. Okay, the process of rusting here it should be RUS. Here it is written E, it should be RUS. The process of rusting can be represented by the following equation. Now see the equation: iron plus oxygen plus water. Then iron oxide is formed, and this iron oxide is red in color. This iron oxide is red in color, and due to this iron oxide, the we can see the red spot or the reddish color over the iron. If we will see the equation, now see the equation, sorry, now see the equation: Fe plus O2 plus water, H2O, then what will be formed? Iron oxide, which is called rust, Fe2O3. This is formed. It is red in color and is called iron oxide, and due to this the color appears red. Iron converts into this, है ना. पहले iron था, अब ये इसमें convert हो गया है, right? These all are the example of chemical change. Okay, for the rusting two things are necessary. ठीक है, आयरन तो हो गई. देन ऑक्सीजन, प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड वाटर, टू थिंग्स आर नेसेसरी. इफ दीज बोथ आर प्रेजेंट देन ओनली रस्टिंग विल टेक्स प्लेस. अगर इसमें से एक भी एब्सेंट है, ऑक्सीजन इज नॉट देयर, देन ऑल्सो रस्टिंग विल नॉट अकर. और अगर ऑक्सीजन है, वाटर नहीं है, देन ऑल्सो रस्टिंग विल नॉट